Want to add a personal touch to your chats on WhatsApp? With iOS 26, you can now create a custom avatar that looks just like you. No filters, no camera, just full control over every detail. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manually create your WhatsApp avatar from scratch on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app and make sure you're signed into your account. Then tap Settings in the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu, tap Avatar. Now tap Create Your Avatar. You'll see a brief overview explaining what avatars are and how they're used. Go ahead and tap Get Started. At this point, you'll be given two options: Create from Selfie or Create Manually. For this tutorial, we're choosing Create Manually, so tap that option. The avatar editor will launch, and your first step is to choose a skin tone. Once selected, tap Next. Now, pick a hairstyle from the list. Tap Next again to move on. For the face shape, you can scroll through preset options. If you want more control, use the sliders to adjust features like face width, cheek fullness, jaw size, and chin length until it looks just right. Once satisfied, tap Next. Now, select a body type. You can filter options under masculine, feminine, or all. You can also fine-tune body features using sliders for muscle tone, shoulder width, waist, hips, stomach, and more. When you're done adjusting your body features, tap Continue. Now it's time to style your avatar. Choose from free preset options like tops, bottoms, outfits, shoes, dresses, and accessories. You can even customize details like hair, headwear, eyewear, earrings, and piercings. And remember, you can jump back at any time to tweak your skin tone, face, makeup, or body type using the avatar menu. Once you're completely happy with your look, tap Done. Then tap Publish Avatar to save and activate your avatar. If you want to make changes later, just tap Edit Avatar to reopen the editor and make adjustments. Once published, your personalized avatar will automatically generate custom sticker packs. You'll find them right in your WhatsApp sticker tray when you're messaging friends. You can return to the avatar section in WhatsApp settings anytime to update or redesign your look. And that's it. You've just created your own WhatsApp avatar, and it's ready to use across chats, stickers, and more. If this guide helped you personalize your messaging experience, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone and WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new avatar.